Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to F6 Online Support Program. Today we are going to study Class 7 Mathematics. Book name is New Secondary Mathematics, Student Code 2, from page number 44 till 49. Chapter, the same chapter we are revising, Expansion and Factorization of Quadratic Expression. Topic, Expansion and Simplification of Simple Quadratic Expression. Resources required, textbook, notebook, stationery and internet resources. In this lesson today we are going to learn about representation of expansion and simplification of quadratic expression. But moving towards the topic, first we are going to discuss thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is, a negative mind will never give you a positive life. That means if you are having negative thoughts, if you think that I cannot do this, and if you are going to think negative for yourself or anyone else, you cannot lead a good or positive life. If something is easy for you, if something you want to do, and if you think in your mind that I can do it, then that thing will give you a positive change in your life. You will able to do it. But if you in the mind only you think, no, it is impossible for me, I cannot do it, I cannot accomplish my task, then you will never able to do it. So always for achieving higher goals, first you have to make positive thought. You have to think about your life and you can say, I can achieve every goal in my life. As it has said, impossible itself says I am possible. If you think and you have a positive attitude, nothing is impossible for you to achieve in this life. Objectives. Today's objectives are, learn about expanding with one variable, expanding linear and quadratic expression in the form of a bracket b plus c, expansion and simplification of quadratic expression. But we're going to recap the topic, that is quadratic equation. A quadratic function is a function in the form of a square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. Remember, we have learned that in this there will be the same variable but the power would be different. One would be having square and another would be having no single power. The expression on the right hand side, which expression? Ax square. Which expression? Ax square plus bx plus c. This whole expression is known as quadratic expression. Why? Because it is same variable but the powers are different. Example of quadratic expression. See, x square minus 5x plus 6. Clear? See, same variable but the powers are different. Second one, 2x square plus 5x. Clear? And these are the factorated form. We are going to learn these form in the further chapter. Okay? Expand quadratic expression. First, remember what quadratic is. What does quadratic means? The word quadratic comes from a Latin word which means squares. And what does square means? Four sides, correct? So that means the highest. As you can see, this squares are linked with area. So the quadratics were originally used to solve the problems involving the area of shape. Remember? A quadratic expression or equation has x square as its highest power, such as x square plus 2x plus 3. Quadratic means that an equation or the variable having its higher power is known as quadratic expression. Practice now. We are going to discuss example of practice now, page number 45, and the example is 2x square plus 4x minus 5 minus, then bracket 6 plus x square. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take this 2 and we are going to multiply this 2 with this whole bracket, and this minus sign is going to multiply with this bracket. Let's see how. See, 2x, there was 1, coefficient was 1, so 2 ones are 2. What has become? 2x square. Here 2 multiplying with 4 becomes 8x as it is minus, plus minus minus, 2 5s are 10. Clear? Now we are going to multiply the sign here. Minus sign, and if there is no sign in front of this, that means there is plus. So minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Clear? So 2x square. Now what we are doing in this step? Can anyone observe? Correct. We are arranging the same power like terms in one line. 2x square minus x square, then plus 8x, then minus 10 minus 6. Clear? Now we are going to solve. Plus minus minus, 8x as it is, minus minus plus, but sign will comes of greater number. Remember? Let's see how. Plus minus minus x square plus 8x minus minus plus, so 10 plus 6, 16, but signs comes of greater number. Clear? Moving toward for expand quadratic expression. How to expand? See, 2 is multiplying to g plus 4, so 2g plus a. Clear? How to expand it? Let's see how. Now there are more examples for this expanding thing. Now, before you were only whether you were multiplying sign or whether you were multiplying constant. But now you are going to multiply three things together. Sign, coefficient and variable with the bracket. See, minus plus minus 2 3s are 6, x x square. Then minus minus plus 2 2s are 4, x. Let's see how. Clear? 2 3s are 6, minus minus plus 2 3s are 6, x square. Minus minus plus 2 2s are 4, 4x. Clear? Minus 2x, x minus 3. Again this is going to multiply with this whole. Minus plus minus 2x squared plus 3. Clear? So, moving forward, we are going to study distributive law. What is distributive law? We all are familiar with distributive law from class 6, right? A, B, then A is going to multiply with C. So, AB plus AC. A multiply with B, A multiply with minus C. So, AB minus AC, where A, B and C are real numbers. Let's see. We are going to elaborate the distributive law with the example. See, x plus 3, 2x minus 1. That means x, 2x minus 1 plus 3, 2x minus 1. Clear? See, this is multiplying with this whole bracket, and then this 3 is again multiplying with this whole bracket. Clear? So, x are x square, 2x square, minus plus minus, so x, plus 6x, plus minus 3. Now students, as you can see in the third line, it has written, what has it has written? It has written, come on tell me, 2x. Is it correct 2x? Tell me, is it correct 2x? Should be square here or no? Because there is no other 2x. We cannot solve this equation from 2x. So 2x will remain same. How? So either here 2 is as it is, 2x square, minus plus minus 6 minus 1, 5, 5x, but sign comes of, always comes of greater number. Clear? So 5x, then minus 3 as it is. Clear? Clear? Okay. Moving. Let's see. What does the question says? Question says minus 2h, 3 plus 4h, minus 5h, h minus 1. Clear? Now this minus 2h is going to multiply with this whole bracket, and minus 5h is going to multiply with this whole bracket. Let's see how. Minus plus minus 2 3s are 6h, minus plus minus 2 4s are 8h square. Clear? Minus plus minus 5h h square, minus minus plus 5 ones are 5h as it is. Clear? Now what we are going to do? We are going to arrange it. How are we going to arrange it? Let's see how are we going to arrange it. Minus 8h square, minus 5h square. First, the quadratic highest term of the powers, then minus 6h plus 5h. What answer did I get? Minus minus plus. So 5 plus 8, 13. But sign always comes of greater number. Minus plus minus. So 6 minus 5, 1. And sign always comes of greater number. Remember? Okay. Now, what is the home task for today? We are going to do practice now, page number 45, 47. Practice now 1 on page number 45. Practice now 2 on page number 48. And practice now 3, that is on page number 49. Other instructions for working on notebooks. Work should be neat and clean. Should be in proper manner with date and date, correct topic along with proper numbering. Your work should be submitted on regular basis. Okay students, submit your work on regular basis. Use black and blue gel pen. Draw an ending line after every question. Okay students, have a good day. Thank you all for today.